Look, that's one way to ensure that your tree is dead. Look at the way it's choking this tree. All this rubbish wrapped around this tree to protect it. Look at that. You can see how wet and moist the trunk is, not being allowed to breathe freely. Pests around there that are attracted to that moist environment. The tree is struggling to send nutrients back from the top of the tree when it's photosynthesizing. The xylem and the phloem is being strangled. The tree is struggling to process the energy that it's collecting from the top through photosynthesis. And you can see the top of the tree is very tiny. It ain't looking good for a tree of this age because it's being stifled. It's not being able to process that energy when it's photosynthesizing. Trees also, they grow outwards, so it's stifling the tree's ability to expand. Imagine you having a strap around your leg since childhood and it never gets took off. So that's something to watch out for if you do have fruit trees and you do stake them and you put a band around the tree to keep it, you know, secure until it anchors in for the first maybe year or so. You make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't just leave it there with the bands on, because, well, you will eventually kill your tree as it outgrows those support systems. Yeah, if you're taking a walk in a park, many times the government will plant hundreds of trees and they'll stake them, they'll put a band on, they'll put one of these little things on to stop deers or pigs nibbling on the trunk, but then they'll never come and they'll forget to maintain them. And it's surprising how many dead trees you see in the parks that have not been maintained, that have not had it taken off. You might as well just take it off. If you can see the tree's anchored in, and if it's suffering, take off them bands, man. Save a tree and do it a favour. Hope you found that helpful. Until next time.